Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Sherwood Park is a residential neighborhood within the town of Quispamsis in southern New Brunswick. It is part of the Greater St. John region and is surrounded by mature trees, parks, schools, and family neighborhoods. Sherwood Park does not have a separate official population, but it forms part of Quispamsis, which is home to about 20,000 people. The neighborhood is known for its quiet residential streets, convenient location, and easy access to everyday services and outdoor recreation. The land that is now Quispamsis was used for thousands of years by the Wolastoqey people, who traveled the Kennebecasis River for fishing, transportation, and trade. European settlement increased after Loyalists arrived following the American Revolution, with farming and forestry becoming the area's main industries. Through the 1800s, small farms and rural communities spread across the region, laying the foundation for the town that exists today. Quispamsis remained largely rural until the second half of the 20th century. As highways improved and commuting became easier, many people chose to live outside St. John while continuing to work in the city. Residential subdivisions such as Sherwood Park were developed to meet growing demand for housing. Today, the neighborhood reflects that transition from farmland to a modern suburban community while still preserving many natural green spaces. Nature is never far away in this part of New Brunswick. The nearby Kennebecasis River offers opportunities for boating, kayaking, canoeing, fishing, and paddleboarding during the warmer months. Parks and wooded trails provide space for walking, cycling, birdwatching, and enjoying the changing seasons. Autumn brings colorful forests, while winter offers opportunities for snowshoeing and other outdoor activities. Housing in Sherwood Park consists mainly of detached single-family homes on landscaped lots. Many properties were built during the late 20th century, with newer homes added as the community expanded. In recent years, average home prices in this part of Quispamsis have generally ranged between $475,000 and $600,000, depending on the size, age, condition, and location of the property. Homes backing onto green space or located on larger lots often command higher prices. The name Quispamsis comes from a Wolastoqey word that is commonly translated as Little Lake in the Woods, a fitting description for a community surrounded by forests, waterways, and natural landscapes. Even as residential development has expanded, the town has worked to preserve parks, trails, and green spaces that contribute to its appeal and quality of life. Today, Sherwood Park represents the modern character of Quispamsis. It offers comfortable neighborhood living, access to excellent recreational opportunities, and convenient connections to the larger St. John region. With its blend of natural surroundings, well-established homes, strong community spirit, and growing local services, Sherwood Park continues to be one of the many neighborhoods that make Quispamsis an attractive place to live in southern New Brunswick. Thanks for watching!